In a small, remote village nestled in the heart of the forest, a chilling legend sent shivers down the spines of its inhabitants. They spoke of the Ganji Chirail, the bald witch, a fearsome apparition who roamed the village under the cover of the night. The mere sight of her would bring terror, for her curse was strange and horrifying. She cut the hair of anyone who laid eyes upon her. The story of the bald Chirail had been passed down through generations, a tale of caution and dread. According to the elders, she was once a beautiful woman named Amara, who had been scorned and humiliated by the villagers. In her anguish, she had sought solace in the woods, where she encountered a vengeful spirit. The spirit granted her wish for revenge, but in return, cursed her with baldness and a thirst for others' hair. As the villagers grew up, they took every precaution to avoid crossing paths with the bald Chirail. Parents warned their children not to venture out after dark, and each household hung garlic and neem leaves by the doors, believing they held protective powers. One moonless night, Rahim, a curious and adventurous young man, decided to challenge the legend. Armed with a lantern, he ventured into the depths of the forest, hoping to unravel the truth behind the bald Chirail. He had heard whispers that the spirit's curse could be lifted if one showed her compassion. As Rahim delved deeper into the forest, a chilling wind whistled through the trees. His heart raced as he heard a soft, eerie hum in the distance. The bald Chirail was near. He saw her, a shrouded figure with hair as black as the night. Her back was turned, but Rahim was determined to show her kindness. "Amara," he said gently, using her real name. "I know the pain you've endured, and I want to help you." The bald Chirail turned slowly, her pale face revealing eyes filled with sadness. Her bony, trembling hand reached out, and instead of shearing Rahim's hair, she touched his face. In that moment, the curse was lifted. The villagers woke the next morning to a sight they could scarcely believe. Rahim, unharmed and with his hair intact, had brought the bald Chirail to the village. The villagers learned of her tragic past and chose to embrace her with compassion rather than fear. With time, the bald Chirail's appearance transformed. Her hair grew back, and the curse that had plagued her was broken. She became a beloved member of the village, her story serving as a reminder that compassion and forgiveness could overcome even the darkest of curses.